Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and also thank the Honourable Johnson Lolly for his question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the district of Namara is one of the 3 red zones in terms of water in Tailevu, the other 2 being Vungalei and Virata. And the Tikin of Namara consists of a number of villages, Naisau, Nakorolevu, Matamai Vere, Tumbalevu, Nekawanga, and Nakalwada. These villages of Tikin Namara are located outside the extents of the Water Authority of Fiji's reticulated systems. That it ends at Kasau, 71.1 kilometers to the south, and Nailenga village, 11.6 kilometers to the north. The area has an approximate population of around 2,000 people, and it had schools, nursing stations, and located by the coastline, these villages have faced difficulties with access to drinking water, as suitable surface water sources in the immediate area are non-existent in terms of rivers and streams. Currently, most of the homes there have been using rainwater harvesting. I think there is one borehole at Tumbalevu, but the others, Water Authority of Fiji has been providing tanks for rainwater tanks as part of the rainwater harvesting program. And when there is problems, when they still have problems, Water Authority of Fiji has been providing water cutting for the villages and the communities every 2 weeks. And when things get really bad, the Commissioner Central has his emergency water program that also helps to deliver water cuttings to schools, health, and the community. But into the future, Mr. Speaker, and based on the review of the options available, there are some things that government is doing at the moment. Apart from the work that is being done by Water Authority of Fiji with its rural area services, there is also an interagency committee in existence, run by the Commissioner Central, that includes agencies such as the Water Authority of Fiji, the Water Insurance Department of the Ministry of Infrastructure, and also the Mineral Resources Department, which looks at boreholes. In the short term, we'll continue to focus assistance through WAF, through the provision of water cuts, and also for the fortnightly rural water cutting schedule, as well as the provision of assistance through the rainwater harvesting program. To date, we have 53 tanks with a 5,000-litre capacity have been delivered to the Namara District. In the medium term, it is recommended that since there is a lack of surface water sources in the immediate area of the Tikin and Namara, that we continue to look at groundwater services. And these need to be addressed by the Mineral Resources Department. As I mentioned before, the Tumbalevu village borehole is the one that is working. It is producing a good amount of water. There's a possibility of other sources being investigated there. There is another borehole at Nekawanga that also has water but is not fit for human consumption, that can be used in other ways. In the long term, the extension of the Viria water supply system shall be the long-term plan for this area. There is a good potential for the expansion of the Viria system, and it will be dependent on the successful commissioning and operation of the Viria system to bring that water all the way from Viria, hopefully all the way down to Namara. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister.